property host for today and your Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell button to get more updates from us. Okay, we are now in this beautiful 300 plus square meter house and lot located in Banawa, Cebu City. And the floor area is approximately 450 square meters. This is a 2-story house with a basement, and it got 3 bedrooms in the second floor and 1 bedroom here on the ground floor and another bedroom in the basement area. So, dito na magdugay-dugay pa. I'll tour you now. As you can see, this is the stairs going up to the bedroom area. And we got here the dining area. I'm not sure yet if the things that you see inside are included. And here, in this area here, is the living or the receiving area. Let's go now to the kitchen. We got here a beautiful and spacious kitchen. And then, on this side is the maid's quarter with own toilet and bathroom and a pantry. Here, hindi kaya maklaro kay walay suga, but okay, naday siya suga. Sorry guys. So here, this is the pantry, this is the maid's quarter, and this is their toilet and bathroom. For privacy purposes, because there's somebody inside, we will not open that. So please feature the beautiful kitchen. It's very huge, very ideal for women who loves to cook. And now let's go to the bedroom area. These stairs here, as I said, lead to the bedroom area. And beneath it is the powder room. Let's go upstairs. Right now, I'm in the landing area going to the bedrooms or the bedroom area. We got here 3 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. It's spacious and it also has the closet already. It's built-in closet. It also has air conditioner and it got 2 single-size beds. This one is the common toilet and bathroom for bedrooms 1 and 2. The master bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bath. What's nice here is that the shower area is already enclosed with a glass enclosure. Now go to bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2, which has a balcony. But right now, they're closing it because nobody is using this room. This one. This is the balcony. This is the bedroom area, which has a balcony. I think dili siya maklaro sa camera, so I'm not gonna show it now. So let's now go to bedroom, the master's bedroom, by the way. The master bedroom is quite huge, not your ordinary master bedroom. So upon entering here, we got the closet here, and then the huge master bedroom. In my own opinion, this is approximately 40 square meters. We got here the king-size bed, and then here the ensuite toilet and bathroom with a his and hers sink. We also got another closet here for the ladies. Ladies surely love this house because we have a lot of closets. And then here is the enclosed shower area, which is already hot and cold shower. So let's now go to the basement area, and it's very ideal for a man's cave. Surely, most men would love this place. So, welcome to the man's cave. Here, you can make it into your office, or the last time that I checked this house, they put some motorcycles here because the owner loves to collect motorcycles. And then this is what they call their bodega, or their storage room. It's very huge, guys. It can actually be convertible to another bedroom. And then we got here another office area for meetings. You can actually use this for your meetings. And then this one, another office spot. Now go outside. This area is quite huge, which I suggest if you have kids who love to swim, you can actually convert this into a swimming area. And then this place here, oh my god, there's a dog. And then in this place here, we have to put a bar for the swimming pool area. So as you can see, this is another gate which leads to the main road for your another 2 more cars which will be parked here. And mind you guys, this property is strategically located because we are pretty close to Maham, or what we call Matias H. Aznar Medical School. And then we're pretty close to Chongwa Hospital and Cebu Doctors Hospital for clients or for buyers who want to live very close to hospitals. So there you go, guys. If you're very interested about this property, please don't forget to call me at 0917-7999-429 or email me at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. Thank you and have a good day.